Greetings, fifth graders. It's time for reading class today. Go ahead and take out your worksheet that goes along with When Volcanoes Erupt. It is worksheet page 150 and 152, and it looks like this. All right, here's another picture of it. We're going to fill out together the blanks and the worksheet. We're going to do a lot of this together, just like we do in class, and then you're going to submit some of the answers on your Google form. All right, here today we have a colored copy, When Volcanoes Erupt. Go ahead right now. I need you to read the box, When Volcanoes Erupt. It is a whopping two paragraphs on your screen. Pause the video while you read When Volcanoes Erupt, those two paragraphs right now. Pause the video. All right, now that you're back, we are going to do a lot of this workbook page together. At the top, it says, it has some directions. Reread and use the prompts to take notes in the text. Get your pen or pencil ready. You are going to be writing on your worksheet. Reread paragraph 1. Draw a box around the words that show the visual impact of the volcanic eruption. When we look at paragraph 1, what gives us a visual, tells us what we see with the volcanic eruption. What could we see? How about this? Turning night into day. Is that something you could see? Yeah, it's kind of a creative way of saying that it got very dark. So put a box around that, turning night into day. Do you see anything else in the first paragraph that shows the visual impact of the volcanic eruption? Yeah, you're right. There's quite a bit more. Here's the rest of it. Sending an ash cloud thousands of feet into the sky. Yes, that's pretty high. Rock debris and ice fell from the mountain and was pushed by the eruption across nearby lakes and ridges. So you could all see that is visual, the visual impact of the volcanic eruption. All right, then reread paragraph 2. Talk with a partner about what causes a volcanic eruption. Okay, so just think about what causes a volcanic eruption. What causes the volcanic eruption? Underline text evidence to support your discussion. What causes the volcano to erupt? We're going to underline this. Here we go. A gradual buildup of pressure caused by gases within the earth can cause magma to burst or seep through vents or openings in Earth's surface. So this gradual buildup of pressure can cause magma to burst or seep through vents or openings in the Earth's surface. And then the last part right here, why is vents in the Earth a good heading for this selection? Well, if you think about it, vents in your house let warm air come through them to heat your house in the winter. And if your house has central air conditioning, those vents allow for cool air in the summer to come into your house. So if you think about vents in the Earth's crust, it allows those gases within the Earth to burst through or seep through, just like air comes through the vents in your house. So this is the part you have to do on your own. You have to submit one sentence in the Google form that is attached to this assignment answering this question: why vents in the Earth? Why is vents in the Earth a good heading for this section? So one complete sentence answer. All right, next page. The impact of volcanoes. Pause the video right now while you read those two paragraphs. The impact of volcanoes. Read the whole box. Pause the video now. All right, now that you've read the impact of volcanoes, both paragraphs, in paragraph 1, underline words and phrases that tell where volcanoes erupt most frequently. Where do volcanoes erupt most frequently? Remember, if I ever go too fast with this, you can always pause me while you get a chance to find the answer. All right, here we go. In Hawaii and in the southernmost island chain off of Alaska, that's where volcanoes erupt most frequently. Please underline that in your book. Then reread the second paragraph with a partner, or just think about it on your own since we're doing distance learning. Discuss the immediate effects. Immediate means it happens right now. The immediate effects that an eruption has on the landscape around the volcano. So what happens to the land around the volcano immediately during an eruption? Circle text evidence that supports your discussion. So look at the second paragraph. What immediately happens to the land around the volcano when it erupts? All right, an eruption can spew lava, ash, rock, mud, and poisonous gases into the air and harm nearby plants, animals, people. Crops and property can also be destroyed. So all of that should be in a box. All those things immediately can happen during an eruption to the surrounding landscape. And then this is the part for you to do by yourself, attached to the Google form, attached to this assignment. How does the author help you understand the effects of a volcanic eruption? How does the author help you understand the effects of the volcanic eruption? So the causes, there's an eruption. Okay, we have the gases seeping through the crack. What's the effect of that eruption happening? Okay, use text evidence to support your reason. So use something from the text over here in your answer. How does the author help us understand the effects of a volcanic eruption? One sentence. Submitted in the Google form that's attached to this assignment. All right, last worksheet. Let's read the question up at the top. That's right, color for you. Why does the author use vivid language to describe volcanic eruptions? Vivid language is very specific. It helps you get a good mental picture. It's not vague, like, oh, I wonder what it looks like. It's like, no, I know what it looks like. It's vivid language, very specific. Reread the excerpts on the past two workbook worksheet pages on page 150 and 151 and talk with a partner or think about it on your own about how vivid language helps you visualize volcanic eruptions, gives you those mental pictures, helps you visualize. What words and phrases help you picture what volcanic eruptions are like, and write text evidence. All right, detail. And blank cloud blank. Okay, so we're going to look back on our worksheets like Mrs. Org is. N blank cloud blank. Let's see. An ash cloud what? What does the ash cloud do? Remember, if I ever go too fast, just pause me. I'll be there when you press play. An ash cloud drifted. Okay, there we go. We have a visual picture of a cloud of ash. Looks like a bunch of sand, grit, tiny particles in the air, and it's drifting. It's moving slowly through the sky. Next detail, rock blank and ice blank. What did rock do? What did ice do? Rock debris and ice fell. So we have rock debris and ice fell. Both things fell. So what kind of debris? Rock debris and ice fell. And the next one, next detail, and blank spewed lava. Ooh, what spewed lava? Spewed lava, blank, and rocks. Spewed three things. An eruption spewed lava, ash, and rocks. All right, now I need to go to the next slide. Or not. There we go. All right, reviewing. An ash cloud drifted, rock debris and ice fell. Next one, details. And, oh, we did this one. An eruption spewed lava, ash, and rocks. How does this help us visualize? So all of these vivid details help us visualize. Clouds. Yes, that's a CL. Sorry, it's on the line. Clouds of ash. Sorry, typo from Mrs. Ork. Ash, debris falling, and lava flowing. What does this help us visualize? It helps us visualize clouds of ash. It helps us visualize debris falling and lava flowing. All right, and then your in your Google form, you're going to have to answer or finish this question, this sentence. The author uses vivid language to describe volcanic eruptions. And you're going to finish the sentence using one complete sentence submitted in the Google form attached to this assignment. So remember to use some of your details from the graphic organizer up here in your answer, in your sentence. All right, here we go. In summary, fill in the blanks on this worksheet. Complete the answers in Google form and submit a picture of these worksheets so that I know that you did them. All right, that is all for today, 5th grade. It is time to say goodbye.